Hello everyone, welcome to my session. This is Rajeshwar Reddy. So in this session we are going to discuss about lines and angles exercise 4.2. In this mainly about the pairs of angles. So pair means we know very well two angles. So sum of those two angles, what do we call? Let us see sum of two angles 90 degrees as complementary angles, and sum of two angles is 180 degrees supplementary angles, and sum of two angles as 360 degrees, that is conjugate angles. So in that, let us learn first exercise 4.2 about the complementary angles. So here how we can able to solve these complementary angles in the simple way I will explain to you. Okay, so let us see what is complementary angle. So when do we call the angles as complementary angle? See here, when sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then those two angles are called as complementary angles. For example, we can see here 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So let you check out those sum. So sum is equal to 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. 60 plus 30, we know very well that is equal to 90. So now what do we call these two angles? 60 and 30 are complementary angles. So one more example we will see 50 degrees and 40 degrees. So these two sum. So 50 plus 40 is equal to 90 degrees. So that what do we call those two angles? Complementary angles. For example, 70 plus 70 degrees and 50 degrees. So sum. So let you check the sum here. 70 plus 50. So 70 degrees plus 50 degrees, that is equal to 120 degrees. Actually, what are complementary angles? When those two sums should be equal to 90 degrees. Not less, not more. Exactly 90 degrees. Then what do we call? Those two are called as complementary angles. But here, these two sum angles are equal to 120 degrees, where they are not complementary angles. So that now these two, 70 and 50, are not complementary angles. Here, check whether two angles are forming complementary angles or not. So what do we understand complementary angles means? Sum of two angles must be equal to 90 degrees. Let us check these two angles are equal to 90 or not. So what are the angles here? Sum is equal to, one is 40 degrees and one is 60 degrees. So 40 plus 60, it is equal to the 100 degrees. So are you agree with those two angles are complementary angles? No, 40 and 60 are not complementary angles. Why? Because they are more than 90 degrees. Okay, those two sums should be equal to 90. Then we consider that both are complementary. But now those two values is not equal to 90, so that they are not complementary. So let you observe here one more figure, 89 degrees and 1 degree. So let you check, sum is equal to 89 plus 1. So 89 plus 1, very easy, that is equal to 90 degrees. Yes, it is satisfies that. So that now 89 and 1 both are complementary angles. So in this way we can able to write check whether those are complementary angles or not, and how to find the complementary angles. Let us see now. Here one angle is given, one complementary angle is given, so we have to find another complementary angle. So we know already what is that? Two angles must be equal to 90 degrees. So that one angle is 40 degrees, so we can able to find another angle. So that we can able to find the other angle. So we have to subtract from the 90 degrees, because 90 is complementary angle. So that 90 minus 40 degrees. So that 90 minus 40 is equal to 50 degrees. So what are the two angles are here? 40 degrees and 50 degrees are complementary angles. So whenever we give one angle and to be find another angle, we have to subtract from the 90 degrees, because two angles must be, sum of two angles must be equal to 90 degrees. Then we can say both are complementary angles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends, and don't forget to comment and like.